Hey there! With rich contacts, you can add HTML tags to your contact details. These tags allow your contact information to be displayed directly in search engine results without having to click on your site. This means that customers can access your data or website much more quickly. Log into your WordPress account as usual to get to the dashboard shown here. Click on Pages in the left menu and navigate to your contact page. Remove any old formatting or contact information and click on the button to add a new element. Type code in the search field provided and select Custom HTML. Copy and paste the code to the left of this video into the HTML editor provided. Replace the applicable information with your company's information as shown in the video. Optionally, you can change the order of the information as long as the first and last code are first and last respectively. In the email field, ensure that your email address is entered behind the Mail To command. You should place your website between the quotation marks after the href tag. To finish this task, click on Update. Great work! Let's move on to the next task. If you want to learn more about digital marketing, visit rankingcoach.com to see how we can help your business's online presence.